Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I have done quite a few videos on ETFs. I have not touched this one yet. This is MJ ETF, and I love this ticker, POTX. It's just kind of funny. It's the Global X. Global X. I don't know why it's in there twice. That's weird. We'll just say MJ there. But again, it's an ETF. You can kind of see what it's done here over the last week. It's kind of went up like a lot of the other MJ ones and then kind of came back down, but it's been trading kind of flat here at the $14 range, and we'll see if it comes down any more here next week. But again, this is a MJ play in the ETF. Nice thing about these is they're a little bit safer. They have a basket of about 10 different MJ stocks. They also give you a dividend for your dividend investors, which is kind of nice. The 52-week high is 29.50. 52-week low is 6.52. I'm sure that's back in the pandemic time for sure. And just traded kind of flat and just kind of gradually came back up last fall, and then just went up like everything, all the other MJ plays in the month of January. But this one I've done a video on. This one I've done a video on. MJ, I have all three of these actually, and I just did a free video tonight. So it's I guess you could say POT night. So anyway, a little bit more information about this one. Since all the MJ stocks went down, I thought these would be a little bit safer play, and maybe it presents a buying opportunity. Not that I'm giving you not that I give trading, legal, or tax advice. You'd have to do your own homework. I'm just here for your edutainment. That's education and entertainment. And moving on here with POTX, you can see right now it's 1952. You can see it's almost, well, we'll just call it 47% in the last year. And then this increased, and then it came back down, but it's had some good growth here in the last year. Some of the key holdings, you're probably wondering what this one holds. It's got the Tilray. I just did a Tilray video tonight. That had an excellent week up until, we'll just call it Wednesday afternoon. Thursday came back down. Friday came back down. That's kind of a volatile one. I have some Aurora. I kind of got screwed over if you've held it for more than, I think a year or two. It had a reverse merger. I'm still in the red on that one. Hopefully get back in the green if you catch my drift on that one, but in the green more than one way or another. Free is kind of my favorite standalone MJ stock right now, as well as Canopy. I have a Free, I have Canopy, I've held Chronos for a couple years. This GW Pharma, I did a video on it a while back within the last week or two. I think Jazz Health bought them, or vice versa. If that's not right, correct me in the comments, or just go back and watch my video. I can't remember which is which. But GW Pharma had a great run up. That's about the only MJ stock I never have purchased. It's like $100 or $200 stock. I can't remember. Hexo I have. Corbus Pharmaceuticals I have a handful of shares. It's on the rise back up. The CBD MD I do not have. And Organigram, I just did a video within the last week or two and purchased some shares of that one. A little bit of talk on Reddit. You can see there's 2 days ago. And again, it's a MJ ETF. You gotta like it, mofos. Not a whole lot of talk here. I don't like to see this. Are you guys selling after today's wipeout? That's one thing that I don't do, is sell when everything goes down. I usually try to buy when that presents an opportunity, but maybe that's a day trader. It's hard to say, but legalization coming soon to the United States at the federal level. Advice for those wanting exposure in the market. So that's what I say. If you want a little bit safer play, the ETFs are the best route. And like I said, you get a dividend on them. And I've covered Sundial quite a few times. This yellow, I've done a couple videos on it. It's got a lot of the same holdings, plus gives a dividend. And that's pretty much it on that. Again, this is on StockTwits. This GRWG is an awesome one. That's a grow generation. My cost basis on that is like $8 or almost $9. I think I bought it last August, and you can see what it's done. It's just a powerhouse. The good analogy on that one is like the picks and shovels of MJ. It's hydroponics, the dirt, all the stuff that you need to grow the product. MJ, that's another ETF I've covered. I have quite a few shares of that one. I've held that one for a while. And then the POTX, the CNBS, I don't think I've covered that one yet. Might have to turn out a video on that one. I'm trying to cover all the ETFs. I gotta like Austin Powers here. Trying to cover all the ETFs for a little bit safer play in regards to the run up and then the run back down last week that we had. So that's why I'm kind of covering a lot of the ETFs. A little bit safer play, and Tip Ranks doesn't really have much here, probably because it's in regards to the sector that it's in and an MJ play. But if you like these, if you like MJ, like I said, this is a safer play. Plus, you dividend investors, you get a pretty decent dividend. It's not too high priced yet, but I foresee it going up. So, but that's it about Global X Funds. If you have any other ETFs out there you want me to cover, or if you have any ETFs, it'd be nice to know which ones you do have and how many shares you have and what your cost basis is. That would be interesting. And that is it for Global X. If you haven't hit that like button yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that. That really helps out the channel, as well as subscribing. I hit my goal of 400, on our way to 500 and then 1,000. So that's my next goal. So I was gone for about 2 days and didn't get any videos done and gained about 25 subscribers. So I thank you for all the new ones that subscribed. And thank you for all the support and watching the videos. And again, this is J Money. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.